See the question number 18, page number 36. Here you have to prepare the trading and profit and loss account and the balance sheet. And here cash book is given. So instead of giving the account balances in the separate, it is given under the heading cash book. For example, two balance brought down in cash book means opening cash balances. Two sales means cash sales. Two debtors means cash received from debtors. By purchases means cash purchases. By creditors means cash paid to creditors, and then wages, sundry expenses are given, and then balance carried on cash book will come in the balance sheet. And then other information, stock is given, opening and closing. Sundry debtors, opening only given and closing is not given. So to find out the closing debtors, we have to prepare the total debtors account. Now see total debtors account to balance brought down. So to balance brought down is given as 1,30,000. Okay, va? And then by cash received. Cash received, you see the cash book. So cash received from sundry debtors is given as 3,40,000. Okay, va? And then next one is by closing debtors, that is balance carried on. So balance carried on only you have to find out. Here to credit sales. Credit sales is already given in the question as 2,90,000. Okay, va? Now find out the total 0, 0, 0, 0, 12, 4,20,000. So 4,20,000 minus 3,40,000, you are getting the answer as 80,000. So 80,000 is the balancing figure. That is the closing debtors. Now let us prepare the trading and profit and loss account for the year ending 31/3/2019. So what is the first step? First you have to write the opening stock. Opening stock is given in the question as 1,10,000. Okay, va? And then next one is two purchases. Two purchases, we have to add cash purchases and then credit purchases together. Cash purchases is given as 1,50,000. Okay, va? And then credit purchases is given in the question as 1,80,000. So if you add together, you are getting the answer as 3,30,000. And then two wages. Wages is given in the cash book as 70,000. Okay, va? And then by sales. Sales again we have to add cash sales. Cash sales is given in the question as 3,60,000. Okay, va? And then credit sales. Credit sales is given in the question as 2,90,000. So add together you are getting the answer as 6,50,000. Okay, and then by closing stock. By closing stock is given in the question as 1,80,000. Okay, now add together. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 13, 8,30,000. So 8,30,000. Now add together. Here 8,30,000 is equal to 0, 0, 0 and then 0, 10, 11, 1, 5,10,000. So the answer is 3,20,000 is the two gross profit carried on. Gross profit, we are getting the answer as 3,20,000. Now find out the net profit. Here gross profit by gross profit brought down. Gross profit we have found out as 3,20,000. Okay, va? And then to sundry expenses. Sundry expenses is given in the cash book as 1,27,000. Okay, va? And then to depreciation, we have to find out the depreciation for furniture and fittings. Here depreciation, furniture amount is given as 80,000. So 10% we have to deduct. So 8,000 is the depreciation amount. Okay, va? Now 3,20,000. Here 3,20,000. So 3,20,000 minus 15, 1,35,000. So 11 minus 3, 8, and then 2 minus 1, 1. So 1,85,000 is the to net profit carried down. Next we have to prepare the balance sheet. Now capital is given in the question as 2,80,000. Okay va? And then you have to add the net profit. Net profit நம்ம என்ன கண்டுபிடிச்சோம்னா 1,85,000. And then here in this question drawings is given not given, so you add together and write in the outer column. And then next one is sundry creditors. Sundry creditors is given in the question as 90,000. Now see the asset side. First one is cash. Closing cash is given as 2,23,000. Okay, and then closing stock is given as 1,80,000. And then sundry debtors closing balance is given as 80,000. Okay va? And then furniture and fittings is given in the question as 80,000. Here you have to deduct the depreciation amount. Depreciation is 8,000, so you are getting the answer as 72,000. Now you find out the total on the both the sides. 0, 0, 0, 5, and then 15, 25, 2, so 5,55,000, and here also 5,55,000. That's all.